It's the first time when Oracle is offering 6 free certification courses. We all know Oracle, and now Oracle is offering free certification courses on SQL and many more. There are total 6 certification courses, and now we are going to see one by one. This is the first course of Databases for Developers Foundation. This is a beginner level course where you are going to learn about the SQL and many more aspects about that. You can see the full list of the topics which we are going to cover in this. First is tables, second is columns and data types, third is data mining, tables, columns and modeling review. And you can see this certification course cover total 12 modules, and this all are free, and you can receive a free certification after this. So there are some frequently asked questions which we are going to cover while introducing this first course. After that, if it doesn't go for this, so firstly, how much does it this cost? This is a free of cost course. Second is, if I miss the start, can I still join? This course is not any time limit. You can start anytime and you can complete this course on your pace. And after that, when does this course end? I just say that this is on you when you start this course and you want to cover this course. Next is, what will I learn on this course? This course is basically on the basics of SQL. Next is, how much time will it take? This is on you. If you give only 30 minutes per week, you can easily cover each modules. In 12 weeks, you can cover all these modules. So at the last, what is the format of this course? So you can see the course is divided into some modules, and also there are exercises and you need to complete all. Also there are some quizzes. And after that, do I need access to any Oracle database? No, it's not needed. You need to only sign in on Oracle, create your account, and after that you can start free of cost all these certification courses. And while completing this, you got a free certificate from Oracle. And you can see there are more questions. I still have any unanswered question, then you can just go through the website and you can ask any questions which you want. Will this course help me in pass Oracle certification exams? Yes, all the certification exams of Oracle is based on SQL. So if you cover this type of certification, free certification exams and free certification courses, it helps you on passing that certification examination. Also here you can see the online teacher who teach you in this certification. The instructor is Chris Shaxon, and after that you need to sign in. When you tap on sign in and take course, firstly you need to create your account of Oracle. So here you can see in the beneath there is click here to sign up. So if you are new on the Oracle platform, you need to create a new account, and if you already have a member, then just start by signing in on your account. So now I am going to firstly create my account on Oracle platform. All the courses link in the description. With the 6 courses are there, all the 6 have a different links, so you need to go through all the links for getting any course which you want. Firstly you need to watch this full video so that you have an idea of all the courses. So you can see here, first you need to create account. After that you need to go through the sign in process and need to sign in for getting any courses. So this is the next course, that is of database for developers next level. That course is the beginner level. Now this course is intermediate level course, and this course is also self-paced course. When you want to start, you can start this course, and when you want to complete, you can complete it. The next course is get started with PL SQL table functions. You can see the introduction of the course. I highlighted that, and this course is intermediate level, not advanced level. Next is analytic SQL for developers. This is also a free course. All modules are free. You got a free certification, but this course is some little bit advanced. 2 more courses remain. Now I am going to show you that also. So this is a advanced level course. You can see this is a beginner level course, CRUD operations using CX, Oracle and Python. So if you learn Python, then you can take this course also, so that you get more ideas on Oracle platform also. So you can see this course is a beginner level. So if you want to start this, so you can easily start. And this is also a beginner level course, 9 good to knows PL SQL error management. So these are the all courses, total 6 courses I introduced in this video. If you want any course, you just go through the link in the description and get this. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends.